Mr. President, how you dey sleep for night wey you know say people wey you dey rule dey suffer? How you dey sleep to the wife of the president? Na you say make dem go do farming where dem wan farm wey Boko Haram dey kill people? How people wan take survive?
Healthcare sector is bad. Paracetamol now na almost 800 naira for one card. People are not going to do someone and live and no say we no get president.
My country people, before I play this video again, I wan talk something cause my heart dey bore. Why be say Igbo people no join this protest? Why be say na dem talk say make they start protest? E reach the time of protest, they no put body. Why? Igbo people, why una dey like this? Okay, una dey think say I dey talk down on Igbo people. I go tell una why on the next video. Before I continue, make I play the video, make we dey listen dey go.
If you check very well, hunger dey everywhere. As una dey here now, if it be like say una go dey think say una dey enjoy, no enjoyment o. As you dey now, your pikin wey dey there wey think say go come take care of you. If you sick today, kpam, money no dey to go hospital. Rice don rise. Beans now na very big man food. Garri don rise. Everything dey spoil. The economic situation of the country is going bad every day. Fuel dey rise. If you sick now, money no even dey to travel abroad. The country as we sick right now is nothing to write home about. You go see them no dey pay salary. I never dey for my life before they say senator, dem dey owe senator money, but they dey always owe ordinary Nigerians, and na we dey say be the leaders of tomorrow.
Igbo people dey talk say lay your bed as you wan lie on am, and Igbo people dey talk say onye kpatara nkụ ahụ si ngwere bịara ya oriri. During the election, they be warn everybody say make everybody vote for the right government. Some people no hear, dem vote. After the election, person win. So now who una vote for wey win this thing, now we support. So if una dey there dey cry, now una put una self for this shoe now where everybody dey inside. The best way everybody go do now na to dey pray and make this protest make it go well, make at least the government hear the voices of the masses. If not, if I hear anybody will bring tribal this thing again, if you go Twitter na wetin I dey see, na why I come begin this story with this thing when I talk. If I see am again, na Amadi Oha go attend such person. There is nothing like tribal anything for this thing. Everybody is just clamoring for good governance. Like we don't protest, no mean say we dey happy. Just know that everybody is praying and hoping for better government. Una here, ngwanu, stay safe out there. Bye.